Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Nintendo 2DS if, for example, you're selling it or giving it away to someone else and you want your information wiped from it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to plug it in, just in case it was to run out of power through the update. It could end up damaging the system. So plug it in even if your battery is full, just to be on the safe side. And we're going to work our way over to this icon here, which is System Settings. And we're going to go to Other Settings. And we're going to go to number 4 up here, which is Format System Memory. That's what we're going to be doing to wipe the system. So tap that one there. And it's saying this will delete all downloaded software and saved data. Software stored onto an SD card will no longer be usable. Some data, such as photos saved to the SD card, will not be deleted. So go to Next. If you wish to delete your Nintendo eShop account, you can do so by selecting Delete Account in Nintendo eShop. So now I'm going to go to Format. This process will delete all data permanently. Are you sure you want to format? So I'm going to go to Format. And there we go, it says Formatting. Please do not turn off the power. Now I'm not sure how long this is going to take, but I'm going to time it and we'll see how long it takes. Not long at all. Not even 15 seconds. So it says formatting complete. So I'm going to go to OK. And there we go. It says select a language. So this is the same as when you first of all turn it on. So that's nice and straightforward. I can turn it off now and it can find its new home. And now it's reset. Take out the SD card at the side here, so just lift up the flap there, press it in on the SD card and take that out, because that might well have photos and videos on there. If you do want to give away this with the system, then make sure before you reset it that you go into the camera software and delete the photos and videos from the actual SD card. But for me, I'm going to be keeping hold of that. Thanks for watching.